Hello, I have a question for you. And be honest. Right this minute, would you be comfortable having your child, or your grandchild, play on your carpet? We both know that you can't keep carpet completely clean. People walk on it. And if you have pets, who knows what all they've been doing. But here's the thing. It does make a huge difference how often you get carpet professionally cleaned. You should never give up. Vacuuming does help, and it is important. But it doesn't give you the kind of deep clean that will keep your carpet fresh and healthy. And vacuuming alone won't extend the life of the fibers. Do-it-yourself cleaning equipment is okay, but if you're not careful to rinse out all the suds, it may cause your carpet to get dirty again faster. If you can't get your carpet dry quickly, it will lead to mold and mildew. So get on a regular schedule with your professional cleaner. Clean your carpet at least once or twice each year. Your little ones may not say it, but if they could, they would thank you.